had a fish on. Look like a big sunny.
He's a baby one. Is he a baby?
Yeah, go ahead, release him.
Fish over there. Okay.
Oh, Luna, no. Don't go down there. Don't have your life jacket on you today.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah, like stay behind the pole.
I've fell in
Jesus.
this lake before.
Geez, I really caught one before I was taking some pretty pictures. Nice, dudes. Luna, you want to release him or no?
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, one.
Okay.
No, you got one? Nice, Perch.
That.
Jeez, though, you guys.
Run.
Nice catch, dudes. Just so many fish. He released himself.
Ouch.
Small perch for Rowan. Nice, bud. He said no pictures needed.
Got the newspaper, see?
Here, one sec. Yep, go ahead. Wait. Yep, go ahead, Robo. That is a tanker, dude.
Oh, never do.
Jeez. Jeez, Rowan.
Dad, I need help.
Can you
Now this one right here, that's a fat sunny.
help me with this one, Dad?
Like my hand here. Oh no! Just get him in the water. Damn. Yeah. Oh, you got a good one? Oh, Rowan. Oh, it's a fat sunny. There we go. Yeah. Yes. That's a good one, Rowan.
Oh my god. Yeah, fillet?
Wow.
Fillet?
Yeesh, Rowan.
Can I release this guy? This is like my biggest,
Yes, I can.
basically
Yeesh.
sunny ever.
I'll put
Yeah.
his booty. Okay, I'm going to do another release.
There you go, Luna. Give him a release. Don't get too close to the water.
Okay. If I fell in, it would be overtime.
Yeah. Oh, Rowan got a
I'm stuck.
crawdaddy on him.